As a registered distributor, when you purchase, you will start accumulating performance volume with what we call a PV. For example, Pure and Broken Ganoderma spores, the retail price is $67.20 for non-distributors and $56 for distributors, 20% discount, and the product value is 56 PV. The more important of the product, the higher the PV. The higher the PV, the higher the bonus. And this is a map of requirements of CGV and PPV to get the organization performance bonus. All your personal sales PV in a month adds up is called PPV. For example, as a new distributor, if you purchase 1 Pure and Broken Ganoderma spores, your PPV is 56 PV, and you'll be star 2 and get a bonus of $2.80. If you sell it to a customer, you can get an extra retail profit of $11.20. And if you have a network of friends using and commending the product, of all the monthly personal performance volume, which we call it PPV combined, help you to accumulate the group performance volume that's GPV. All the GPV adds up is called CGV, which means cumulative group volume. Also, let's look at an example too. Suppose that you are making 336 GPV every month ever since you joined BF Suma. Your CGV equals to 336 GPV plus 336 PV of all your monthly GPV. When your PPV is 56 PV and CGV is 336 PV, you're star 3 now. Your OPB percent is 9%, and your downlines are star 2, and their OPB is 5%. You can have 4% of PV they have contributed. You can get $7.28 bonus. When your CGV reaches 12,000 and PPV is 56 PV, you become a leader, and here you can get the bonus by the rate of 28%. For example, if you have 5 2-star friends commending the products with you, as a leader your bonus rate is 28%, and your friend's bonus rate is 5%. You can have 23% PV they contributed, your earning is $80.08. Suppose you become a leader and you have 5 downlines each from 6-star to 2-star. Then what is your earning? It's $228.88. Imagine that you have more than 5 downlines and encourage each of them to develop more than 5 downlines and so on. Your earning will be huge. When you're between star 1 and leader, it depends on your sales ability to go up. When you become a leader, it depends on your leadership skills to go up. In the end, you will become a senior crown leader. It is the highest rank in BF Suma. When you reach the level of senior leader and above, there are more bonuses available to you. LDB for team development, LSB for recruitment, and LGB for elite group shares. Designed to reward Move More for your efforts, BF Suma Travel Award and Car Award are held annually. So how to make the first bucket of gold in BF Suma? 3 keywords: people, coaching, and team. Work with your upline and the company to build a network under you. Make time to invite 3 to 5 people in the company presentation every day. Find 5 people to be your first team who are going to be registered through the meeting. Study the marketing plan and learn about at least 1 or 2 products and coach your team to do the same. Then invite people to join the training and help them to build their first 5-people team. When you have around 100 active members in your team, it's time to open your own shop so you can constantly supply products and training support. The secret to this business is simply sales, registration, and frequently meeting with your team. Come and join us. Earn your first bucket of gold.